I enlisted in the Marine Corps right out of high school. I just stayed for 20 years. After I retired from the military, I did struggle to find my place. I worked in sales, I worked in finance for a little while. So I did several different things, and nothing ever really gave me that meaning and made me really want to go to work. And then I decided to stay home with my kids. And so for 4 years, I was a full-time stay-at-home dad, which was an amazing adventure. After they started school, I decided to re-enter the workforce. I kept digging and doing research and trying to figure out what's going to be my next career, something that I really want to do, something that's going to really give me that drive. Everything I've done has always been with the mindset that I want to help people and I want to do good. And I got into the Google Cybersecurity Certificate and I fell in love with it right away. And the certificate teaches you everything from the basics of what we call the CIA triad, which is the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and data. You learn coding techniques in Python. You learn how to program in SQL. We learn how to recognize different attacks. I loved it. I studied at night after the kids would go to bed. The independence and flexibility offered in the certificate did allow me to finish it within 3 months. The very first interview that I got after finishing the Google Career Certificate, I got the job. And so now, being able to work in cybersecurity, I protect people, I protect their privacy, I protect infrastructure. To me, this is the epitome of that sort of service and helping people. They say if you love your job, you never work a day in your life, right? And I get up in the morning ready to go. I have not had this feeling in so long because so many people, unfortunately, are stuck where they get up and they say, oh, I have to go to work. I get up and say, I get to go to work. It feels absolutely amazing to be doing something that I truly love.